I do something I call the sacred pause, and it's just basically taking a breath to recenter so that I can regulate myself and then be able to offer that support to whoever the children is and hold that space. So if my energy field is feeling calm and I'm coming from the heart, and then if any words need to come out, those words are coming from the heart, not the head. Because then from the head, we overthink it, we want to fix it, we want to ask all the questions. What do you need? What happened? Who did what? Should I call someone? We do. When we can just breathe and come from the heart, and it doesn't have to always be words. It can just be a gesture of how we're holding our own body a little bit, it's the simple, subtle things I've found when I'm working with children.